Okay, welcome to the first lesson in series 2. I still want to be talking about a little bit about all the tools and preferences and things like that as we go along, but let's just get into a little bit of modelling now, break up the monotony. I do want to show you here that these shelves along the top here, different effects, I've used a few of them, surfaces. I've made one myself. This is specifically for games development. I'll show you how to make this in the next lesson, but for now it's just good to know that you can create these shortcuts just for a particular purpose. So let's get into some modelling. So if you click on the Polygon tab, make sure that you're on modelling here and click on the Polygon tab, and let's just click out a square. Change the shading to smooth shade all, and let's zoom in on the object. Now there's a way of picking different component parts of the object, of the geometry. This is a polygon, so all the sides are, all the parts are broken up into separate little flat parts. But if you right hand click on the object, hold, and then you'll see that all these different options come up. These are all different parts of the geometry that you can pick. At the moment we're always set on the default, which is object, so if I click off you'll see it's just object. But if I right click on face, you'll notice that you can click certain faces and you can move those, and then you'll see that the object will move. That's resizing with the object. But what we want to do is a few extrusions, and this is you use this all the time with Maya for extruding. So if you just select that face, and then just up here you'll see extrude face. You can go to edit polygon, extrude face down here and go into more options, but we don't need to do that for now, so let's just extrude face. Now if you click here, you'll notice that you can pull out the part, so you're adding an extra polygon there, or extra part. If you click these blue squares or the little squares at the end, it allows you to scale. So you've got two in one there, scale and move. If you once you've finished doing what you're doing, if you press the G, it allows you to duplicate the move. So if I didn't do that, then I would be stuck on this. So I've duplicated my move by pressing G. So I'll bring that out. I'll press G again, hit the square, bring this in, press G again, push it back on itself. So already you can see that we've created quite a complicated little object there just by using the extrude tool. So it's a brilliant tool. Of course, once you're inside there, if you want to press G again, hit this, move that in, press G again, pull it out, you get this kind of funny effect. Press Control Z to undo a move as well. So that's quite a complicated little shape there, created using the extrude tools. I suggest that you play around with this. You can also hold the Shift key and select more than one face, and you could, if you liked, extrude them as well, and you would see that they would come out together, which again is pretty cool. Move them down, press G again, pull it out. So look at that, it's quite a complicated little shape there, created in a few seconds. Have a play with that, test render those out, see how you get on with that. In the next lesson we'll learn about splitting the polygons and more about polygon modelling. And at the moment we're actually not using anything as a reference, but generally you would use something, you would put an image plane in the back with views, three elevation views, front, side and top, and then you would work your geometry against that and create objects, or you can do it like this and just do it freehand. Okay, see you in the next lesson.